Hello Rob, my name is Eduardo from Boss Motor. I'm presenting a personal video for you for two motorcycles that you inquired, which is the 2010 VT1300 Sabre, 3,543 miles, and the price is $97,888. Fully safety certified, comes with the brand new tires, has an extras levers, grips, and mirrors aftermarket. Bike is very clean and is fully safety certified as stated. The other motorcycle is the blue one, is the Stateline, different model. Stateline is considered the classic model, and Sabre is the custom. The same, very low miles. The 2015 has 1,214 miles, and the price is $12,499 plus HST licensing. These two motorcycles available at this time. If you want me to secure one of them, please give me a call. My phone number is 905-660-2901, extension 219, and I'm very happy to assist you. On behalf of Boss Motor, thank you.